Hi, welcome to Info Knowledge Facts. It's not always simple to get fresh vegetables to one of the world's most prominent restaurants. The US Navy employs a number of methods to replenish submarines at sea, and the method picked is greatly influenced by the submarine's position. The sole option for supplying a submarine in a distant location far from land and away from another Navy ship is to deploy a cargo plane like a C-17. Because of aerial refueling, C-17s are able to quickly deliver supplies almost anywhere in the world. Once they are close enough, the C-17 airdrops the cargo. The challenge is how the submarine will fish out the cargo without sending sailors for a swim. If multiple packages are airdropped, let's just hope the submariners are proficient with their snake game when collecting the goods. This way, they can also deliver large amounts of goods by dropping multiple packages. The obvious benefit of using a helicopter or an Osprey tilt rotor for the delivery is that you may lower the cargo directly into the submarine if the submarine is in the middle of the ocean, but near to another Navy ship. The few sailors who get to pick up the cargo are the lucky ones because they have access to a precious resource like fresh air and sunshine. But if the cargo to be delivered is small, sending off a helicopter seems like overkill. In November of 2020, a long-endurance hybrid electric drone set a new maritime milestone by successfully completing the first ship-to-submarine delivery via SMA. The drone launched from the moving surface ship and transported supplies to the crew of the Ohio-class ballistic missile submarine S. Henry M. Jackson. However, this drone has a command and control handoff capability, which means that initially the pilots aboard the ship launched the drone and flew it close to the submarine, and once they took control of the drone, the submarine pilots released the package onto the top of the sub. Helicopter delivery would once more be an option. However, in most cases when the sub is close to land, replenishments are done by a small boat that loads up food and other items into watertight containers and delivers them directly to a submarine. The submarine only needs to briefly surface to collect the goods. The need for surfacing to collect fuel, water, and air has disappeared with the development of nuclear-powered submarines and the technology that go along with it. Nevertheless, how far are we from having submarines that can somehow be self-sufficient with fresh food? What do you think?